Dear Jess, back with another authentic traditional recipe, or as one follower put it, a little nugget of culinary escapism. Even though I'm at home in Mallorca today, rather than pottering around the provinces, here's hoping this perennial classic oxtail stew, common all over Spain, once again awakens your appetite for the traditional, time-honoured, tried-and-true approach to cookery. Please subscribe for hundreds more authentically prepared local dishes. So here's what you'll need for your Spanish oxtail stew. Oxtails, which these days is really the term for the tail of any type of cattle, not necessarily of the ox. But if anyone can educate me as to what an ox is as opposed to a bullock or a steer, do let me know in the comments. Any excess fat is trimmed off. Rather than hacked into pieces, it's easily sliced by following the joints of the tail segments. A good slug of olive oil, extra points if it's Spanish, in a preheated heavy pot. Ox in. Season. Brown on all sides, aiming especially for the outside of the meat, as the protruding bone makes it tricky to colour the cut sides. Remove. The vegetables are finely diced and cooked gently in the now flavourful oil until well reduced and soft. Chopped garlic, plenty of it. Keep gently cooking the mixture for another 5 minutes. Grated tomato pulp. Reduce down steadily until quite thick, almost jammy. The meat is returned. Cloves. Red wine. Reduce the wine down to about half its volume. A generous bouquet of herbs, stock or water will be fine. After 3 or 4 hours at a very gentle simmer, the sauce can be thickened by crushing the vegetables a little, like so. Let me know in the comments if you have a favourite way to cook oxtail, or perhaps let me know if I've managed to inspire you to have a go at this traditional Spanish version. So, wish you were here and all that. Cheers for leaving me a like. Subscribe if you enjoy my content, and do check out this here pork stew, cooked on location overlooking the city of Toledo in the heart of Spain.